Can you buy a Maserati for £5,000? I just have. I have just had the notification of a lifetime. Copart have accepted my offer on a 2015 65 plate Maserati Ghibli V6 TDI diesel. As you can see, this has been put there off the back of a fork truck. Towing eye is in, it has no keys, it has no logbook. We don't even know if it's got an engine in it. So, stay tuned to see what we can do. Now, we don't know anything about this vehicle. It is literally going to come out to me on a fork truck, on my trailer. It's locked. The towing eye's in it. I don't know if it's got an engine in it. I know nothing about this vehicle. Now, for £5,000, was it a gamble too far? Am I in it? Could it have an engine? Could it not have an engine? Am I going to have a problem getting a key for it? It's got no logbook. It looks like it's had no MOT since 2022. What could the mileage be? Who knows? Would you invest £5,000 on a roll of the dice? We have done it. Is it going to pay off? You will soon find out.